Starting around 09 October 2023, Ethereum generally is exchanging at $1,593.02 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a by and large huge manner. ETH essentially has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $191,558,945,627, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,319,611,992, which generally is very critical. This explicitly makes Ethereum, ETH, lovely positioning at 2 in the digital money market in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum basically be certainly worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is Ethereum a genuinely wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? Will ETH cost most certainly outperform its unequaled high, especially in spite of mainstream thinking? These are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in an extremely enormous manner. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost most certainly is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal most certainly least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $2,048.41 in a genuinely significant manner. Besides, ETH can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $2,335.71, which truly is very huge. ETH value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum is determined to especially be at around a fundamentally least worth of $1,737.18 in an essentially large manner. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $1,974.90, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars in an in every practical sense, huge way. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, showing how truly is Ethereum a fundamentally wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $1,996.84 in a fundamentally significant manner. ETH value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is gauged to explicitly be at around a sort of least worth of $1,945.35, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The Ethereum value worth can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,150.77, with the very normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars in a huge way. ETH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum is gauged to in a real sense be at around in every practical sense least worth of $2,004.37, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The Ethereum value worth can sort of arrive at in every practical sense limit of $2,252.61, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, which shows that this explicitly makes Ethereum, ETH, positioning at 2 in the digital money market, or so they basically thought. Ethereum, ETH, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum really is certainly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $2,335.71 and a very least of $2,048.41, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been basically diminished by 1.7% in its for the most part current worth amazingly. Assuming we really think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap especially is likewise down. So starting around 09 October 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $1,593.02 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum generally is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, so the Ethereum value worth can in a real sense arrive at an extremely limit of $2,150.77, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. The ETH truly is down to nearly 7.96% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically have in every practical sense solid basics at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment. Exhibiting that Ethereum ETH value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90, exhibiting how truly is Ethereum a sort of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH really diminished by 15.644%. Wiping out an incredible kind of normal amount of $295.43 from its extremely current worth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a very decent fundamentally purchase an open door for especially the 90 days cost change by and large is around 1.67%. And the cost basically flowed from a very least certainly normal cost of $1,539.51 to most extreme, for the most part normal cost of $1,647.19 in the very beyond 90 days, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In sort of most recent 4 months Ethereum has shown a developing pattern, which especially is genuinely critical. Subsequently, we feel that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, showing how ETH value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum all things considered is determined to explicitly be at around a base worth of $1,945.35 in an unpretentious manner. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum especially is expanded from 4 months, demonstrating the way that the Ethereum value worth can truly arrive at an exceptionally limit of $1,974.90, with the really normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost, exhibiting that ETH essentially has a by and large complete market cap of $191,558,945,627, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,319,611,900.